This is Bruno Burrell from digitalbrandboosters.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to basically add testimonials to your website. So the first thing you want to do is log in on your website. In this case, I'm going to be using Epic Marketing Enterprise.com. Then how do you log in? At the end, you put WP admin. Then it's going to prompt you to log in. We have a tutorial on how to log into your WordPress website. So I already have my username and my password saved here, so I'm just gonna log in real quick. Yes. Okay, so this is the main board of WordPress. So the first thing you will want to do is see where you see the word testimonials right here on the left hand side. In our case, is right here, testimonials, and then you're gonna go to all testimonials right here. Click on it. Then what I'm gonna do as well, I'm gonna open a different tab here, click it and open a link in a different tab, just so I can have a front end and a back end of the website, so I can show you both ways. So in this case, we have a testimonial right here, and this is for Steve Smith. So if you look on the back end, that testimonial is this one right here, Steve Smith. And the testimonial set that is going right here, because this is a testimonial set, there's more than one in the same set. So for example, there's Jimmy John, Steve Smith, and Jonathan Mason, all in the same set. And this is this right here, testimonial sets. So you can have as many testimonial sets that you want, but right now I'm just gonna show you how to add a testimonial to that same set right here. Okay, so for you to do, you go to add new right here on top of testimonials. And for a name, I'm just gonna use John Miller. I'm just gonna use John Miller for now. Then for the testimonial, you can put whatever you want. I'm just gonna type, he's the best in the field of marketing, just as a trial. And here is where you have the testimonial sets. In the case of this website, we only have one set called dummy, but you can create as many sets as you want. So you link that same testimonial to the same set that is on the home page. In this case, since we only have one, it's gonna be dummy. So you plug into dummy, and then here for the name, you can put the name of person. For example, it's gonna be John Miller. Right? The company, let's say, is Facebook.com, or let's use another company, HubSpot. Right? Position, let's say CEO. Then a link. If you want a link to link out to this person, you can put it here. But in this case, we're not gonna have a link, so we're gonna leave it blank. Okay. And then here, featured image. This is where you're gonna put an image for the testimonial. So in this case, we're gonna set featured image. Here's the media library that we already have, and this is the upload files. If you want to upload a file from your computer, you can do it from here. But in our case, we're just gonna use this image right here that we already have on our WordPress. So let's click it, and then set feature image. Takes a couple seconds, and there we go. And now for you to publish it, you just click publish. Okay, so now it's loaded. What we want to do is basically go on the front end of the website that we were, and then we're gonna refresh our page. And now the testimonial should be working. So we still have the same set, which is Jim Johnson. We have all the 4 testimonials that we currently have on the site is on the same set. But let's see if we can get the one that we just created. There we go, John Miller. He's the best in the field of marketing, and it's have their position, the company that they work for, and it looks very, very good. And you can write whatever you want. You can put here whatever you want as well. Um, I mean, it's very, very easy to do. It's just a little taxes. The only thing you have to be very aware of is basically setting your testimonial set and publishing on the exactly one that you want. So if you want to change your set for the future, what you can do, you can add a new testimonial set, and let's call, instead of dummy, let's call, let's say tests, just for tests, and then we add the new testimonial set. And now, since we only have this one on the tests and the dummy, this is going to show on both sets. So if we publish a testimonial with the tests on the front end, this is the only testimonial that's going to show because it's the only one that we have set to the tests testimonial sets, right? I know it's kind of confusing, but it's actually very, very simple. And I mean, this is basically what there is to it. It's very easy. You just come here, put the text in, put the name, the company, position, and the image, and then you're good to go. And instead of the image, if you want to do a logo, you can do that as well. You pick and choose. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you have any more questions, you can email us at support@digitalbamboozles.com. And your wish is always our command, and we're willing to help you anytime. Thank you very much, and have an amazing day.